In today's world, creating any image you can imagine with just a few words is now possible. Thanks to artificial intelligence, you can now turn your imagination into reality. And the best part? You can achieve this using none other than renowned ChatGPT. In this video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can create images and its unique features. ChatGPT is a neural network operated by OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to creating and promoting friendly artificial intelligence. GPT-3 can generate coherent and diverse text on almost any topic, given a few words or sentences as input. But what if we want to generate images instead of text? Well, that's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is a 12 billion parameter version of GPT-3, trained to generate images from text descriptions using a dataset of text-image pairs. It can create images for a wide range of concepts expressible in natural languages, such as animals, objects, scenes, people, and even abstract ideas. As you can see, ChatGPT can produce realistic and detailed images that match the text description. It can also handle more complex and creative prompts. ChatGPT can generate images that contain text such as labels, signs, logos, or captions. ChatGPT is not only able to generate images from scratch, but also to modify existing images in a way that is consistent with the text prompt. ChatGPT can also regenerate any rectangular region of an image that extends to the bottom right corner. ChatGPT is a transformer language model that processes both text and images as a single stream of data. The data can contain up to 1280 symbols, which are called tokens. Tokens are discrete symbols that make up a vocabulary. For instance, in English, each letter is a token. ChatGPT's vocabulary comprises tokens for both text and image concepts. Each image caption is represented using a maximum of 256 BPE encoded tokens with a vocabulary of 163084. The image itself is represented using 1024 tokens with a vocabulary size of 8192. The images are pre-processed to a resolution of 256 by 256 during training. ChatGPT uses a technique called VQ-VAE to compress each image into a 32 by 32 grid of discrete latent codes. VQ-VAE stands for Vector Quarantine Variational Authenticoder. It is a type of neural network that can learn to encode high-dimensional data, such as images, into low-dimensional representations like latent codes, and then decode them back into high-dimensional data. The latent codes are discrete, meaning they can only take certain values from a predefined set like numbers from 0 to 8191. This makes them suitable for feeding into ChatGPT's transformer model. ChatGPT is an AI language model that generates text based on the maximum likelihood principle. It creates a text by predicting the next token in the sequence based on the preceding tokens. For instance, if prompted with the phrase, "a cat wearing," it will try to predict the following words like a hat or glasses. The same applies to image tokens. If presented with an image of a dog and the prompt "add," it will attempt to predict what should be added, such as sunglasses or a collar. During its training, ChatGPT learns from millions of text-image pairs examples. ChatGPT is an impressive demonstration of the potential of language models for generating images. However, like any technology, it has its limitations and challenges. One of the main issues is that it sometimes can produce unrealistic, distorted, or inconsistent images when the input prompt is vague, ambiguous, or contradictory, or when the model encounters an unfamiliar concept. Additionally, there is a risk that the generated images may be offensive, harmful, or unethical if the prompt contains malicious content or reproduce biases or stereotypes from the training data. Finally, there is a possibility that intellectual property may infringe it, write, plagiarize, or misrepresent facts when the prompts relate to real-world persons, place, things, or event when the model copies or modifies images from training data. These limitations and challenges pose serious ethical and social implications for the use of impact of ChatGPT and similar models. Therefore, it is important to be aware of them and to use ChatGPT responsibly and respectfully. OpenAI has stated that they plan to analyze how models like ChatGPT related to social issues like economic impact, potential for bias, and longer-term ethical challenges. Now that we have learned about ChatGPT, let's compare it with another text-to-image AI service, MIdjourney. MIdjourney is a tool that allows you to make stunning images with the help of artificial intelligence. It uses a variety of machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality images in a variety of styles and forms. To use MIdjourney to generate an image, you simply type a description of the image you want into a Discord chat. Discord is a popular chat app that lets you communicate with other people online. You can join different servers or communities based on your interests and hobbies. MIdjourney runs entirely from a Discord server, opening up the AI art world to millions of people. You can also invite the MIdjourney bot to your server and use it there. To generate an image with MIdjourney, you use the imagine command followed by your prompt. MIdjourney can also produce realistic and detailed images that match the text description. It can also handle complex and creative prompts and can generate images that contain text, such as labels, signs, logos, or captions. When you use MIdjourney, it will provide you with 4 images based on the prompts you give it. You have 3 options once the images are generated. You can start the entire process over again to get a new set of images by clicking the blue double down arrow button. Alternatively, you can choose to upscale one of the 4 images by clicking the U1, U2, U3, or U4 buttons. Finally, you can use one of the 4 images as a template for another run by clicking the V1, V2, V3, or V4 buttons. It typically takes a few minutes for the images to be composed. However, depending on the server's workload, there may be a longer wait before you receive your results. MIdjourney has various commands and parameters to adjust how it manages the process. For instance, you can use blend instead of imagine to blend up to 5 images into a new image. You can also use style to apply a style transfer effect an image by choosing a predefined style or uploading your style image. Use settings to change default settings like image resolution, model version, and output format. MIdjourney uses different machine learning models for different commands. For Imagine, it uses dall-e 3, a 12 billion parameter version of GPT-3 trained to generate images from text descriptions. For Blend, it uses Clip plus Vegan, which is a combination of 2 models, Clip and Vegan. For Style, it uses Style Clip, which is a combination of Style GAN and Clip. MIdjourney has some limitations and challenges that need to be addressed. It can sometimes generate unrealistic or offensive images when the prompt or the input images are vague, ambiguous, or malicious, or when the model reproduces biases from its training data. Additionally, it can generate images that infringe on intellectual property rights or misrepresent facts. These limitations and challenges pose serious ethical and social implications for the use and impact of MIdjourney and similar tools. Therefore, it is important to be aware of them and to use MIdjourney responsibly and respectfully. MIdjourney has stated that they do not endorse any misuse of their tool and that they reserve the right to ban users who violate their terms of service. When it comes to ChatGPT and MIdjourney, there are some key differences to consider. ChatGPT is a single model that is able to generate images from text descriptions using transformer language models. Meanwhile, MIdjourney is a collection of models that can generate images from text descriptions, input images, or style images using a variety of techniques such as VQ, VAE, Vegan, Clip, and StyleGAN. ChatGPT is an open source project that is accessible to anyone through its website. This means that anyone can't use it to generate images from text descriptions. MIdjourney, on the other hand, is a closed source project that is only accessible to registered users through its Discord server. When it comes to generating images, ChatGPT generates only 1 image per prompt. Regenerating parts of it can then modify this image. On the other hand, MIdjourney generates 4 images per prompt. Users can then choose to redo the process, upscale one of the generated images, or use one of them as a starting template for another run. One key difference between ChatGPT and MIdjourney is their respective image resolutions. ChatGPT has a fixed image resolution of 256 by 256 pixels and a fixed model version of 12 billion parameters. Meanwhile, MIdjourney allows users to adjust the image resolution up to 1024 by 1024 pixels and offers different model versions ranging from 1.0 to 5.1. Overall, both ChatGPT and MIdjourney offer unique features and capabilities when it comes to generating images from text descriptions. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, one may be a better fit for you than the other. Both ChatGPT and MIdjourney are powerful and innovative tools that can generate images from natural language. They have different strengths and weaknesses, and they can be used for different purposes and audiences. They are both examples of how artificial intelligence can enable new forms of creativity and expression. That's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on artificial intelligence. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and share your thoughts in the comment box.